Introduction to the subsidiary books, one of the most easiest chapter. So let's start. The first subsidiary book is your purchase books. Purchases book. In this you will record all your purchases other than your cash purchases, all the credit purchases are recorded here. Then the next book, purchase return book. Now the purchase return book, return to suppliers. Return to suppliers the goods which I have purchased and due to some reason, say they were defective goods or not the goods which I had ordered, I am purchasing them back to the supplier. I am sending them back to the supplier, and this is where they are recorded is called as purchase return book. Okay. Now the next book, sales book. As the name suggests, all the sales except the cash one, the credit sales, are recorded in this book. Next, sales return book. Now, what is sales return? Return from customers to me. So, return from customers is recorded in this book. Now, one is your cash book. All the transactions whose either of the side, any entry whose either of the side is cash, whether it is debit or credit, you will record it in a cash book. Even see, the point to be noted here is a cash purchase or a cash sale will be recorded in cash book and not in the purchase or the sales book. This is an important point. So, cash transactions are recorded here. And the last book, I call it as journal proper. Okay. When you cannot record any transaction in the purchase book or the purchase return book or the sales book or the sales return book or the cash book, where do you record it? Then you record it in the journal proper. Say for example the opening entries. The opening entries you cannot record them anywhere. In the above given 5 books, record them in the journal proper. Say for outstanding expenses you want to record somewhere, for prepaid expenses. So where will you record all of them? You will record it in journal proper. So this was just an introduction that when do I go and see my subsidiary books? Say for I want to see only about purchases. So I will open my purchases book and then I will get a detail of all my purchases. It is a subsidiary book and we'll try and make some subsidiary books for better understanding. So let's start with the practical.